What's right for you may not be right for me, and what's right for him may not be right for me. Well, that's ludicrous as well. Because whenever the moralist points out and says, oh man, that guy's a horrible guy, that tax collector's horrible, what he's doing is he's pointing to a law outside of himself and condemning himself. Because there is a moral law written in our hearts from God. This is what a general revelation of God is, that moral law written in our hearts. And so the moralist is pointing to a lawgiver. He has to post it a lawgiver. Hi. And so what that means is, if I say that there's something such as good or right and something that's wrong, then I'm pointing to a law outside of myself that's telling me that in which to base this judgment upon, right? So when somebody says, why is there evil in the world, they have to assume that there's something such as good in which to base their idea on, right?